back to another vlog. So I'm here at this Manila, at Gansu, and I'm having lunch with... Hi, Joy!
Hello!
She's so pretty!
Yay.
And yung lip color niya is... Ano yung ulit? Lux?
Yeah, MUA Lux nun.
Para siyang lip...
Lime crime.
Yung lime crime.
Yeah.
So as usual, I ordered the plain... plain noodles ng Gansu. Masarap siya, nakakabusog. And then si Joyce nag-order ng sliced beef.
Dry noodles.
Dry noodles.
Try mo lang.
Hindi ka ba nakakain ito? Ay, ako, I love it. Sarap. We're now here at Starbucks and nagsabi ko kay Joyce, order namin yung na-order kong masarap. Sabi ko, oh, Asian Dolce. Mali. Nung nakita ko yung may half na, sabi ko, ay, naku, mali. Joyce, mali. Pero masarap. Masarap.
I need coffee.
Anyway, si Joyce will be flying to US na tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow ba?
Hindi, Sunday.
Sunday, and she'll be back on April pa. But if you read our vlogs, we'll be having a workshop together on May 3 sa Cebu. Yeah! So all the information will be in the information box if ever you haven't signed in yet. Tapos ano pa yan, mag-film kami ni Joyce. So if ever meron silang request na video, just comment. Ano bang gusto ko nga magpa-makeup kay Joyce kasi never pa ako nakapagpa-makeup sa ibang tao.
Ay, maganda tayo.
Ganun tayo. Kasi di ba yun? Eh, ano si Mark? So, sakto meron ng photographer, videographer. So, love it. May naka-shout out to ba Joyce?
Nag-ano ka na ba sa blindfold makeup challenge?
Hindi pa. Ay, nako, maganon din tayo.
Sige.
Nakakatawa yun. Pagbalik ni Joyce, may kasama na siyang heart. We're now here at Auntie Anne's. We're gonna let Joyce try out the garlic and sour cream na pretzel kasi sabi ko masarap. Tsaka Joyce, tingnan mo yung ilaw. Cute.
Ayaw nga, no? May halo pa.
Oo. Ito yung sour cream. Ito yung garlic. Okay, garlic muna. Sarap.
Malinamnam.
Di ba? Mas okay pag bagong luto kasi pag medyo matigas na, hindi na masarap. Okay, sour cream.
Gusto ko garlic.
Gusto mo garlic? Ang sarap, no? Oo. Hi guys, I'm now back home and I'm inside my car. I'm gonna practice driving. Anyway, I had so much fun with Joyce. Joyce, have fun in US and I'll see you when you get home.